Okay, sorry about that. I don't know what happened, but it exited out of that last video. So you were on, if you go to the very back part of that worksheet and towards the bottom, so if I come over here, like we're back of the worksheet towards the bottom. Goodness, my computer's being slow. All right, this is the third page towards the bottom. All right, so they tell us how many grams of uranium are in 3.2 times 10 to the 24th atoms. So you're starting with that, so starting with grams, circle grams, and you're trying to get yourself into atoms. Okay? So, oh, I'm sorry, I said it backwards. You're starting with atoms. I'm all rattled now. Starting with atoms, and you got to get yourself into grams. Okay? So write down the number you start with. You start with 3.2 times 10 to the 24th atoms of uranium, and put that over 1. You're trying to find grams of uranium. So we're here. We need to use Avogadro's number to get to moles. So atoms of uranium is there. Atoms of uranium needs to go down here. And then what goes on top here, this is going to be moles of uranium. Atoms of uranium can cancel because they're on opposite sides. Now the question is, we got to use Avogadro's number, but does it go on top or bottom of the fraction? This is where you have to understand what a mole is. A mole is this number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. 23rd, that's a 3. That's why that's going to go on the bottom. Now, we're at moles, so now to get from moles to grams, we use the molar mass. So moles of uranium will go down here, and then up there is going to be grams of uranium, which is the unit of our answer. Moles of uranium goes, remember it always goes diagonal, it's going to go down there so they can cancel. Now, we've done this before, right? In 1 mole of uranium, you take this many, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd uranium atoms, put them on a scale, it should weigh, find uranium on the periodic table, it's in the actinoids, that very bottom row. Look at find the mass number, and it is 238. So 238 grams. And so if you do 3.2 times 10 to the 24th, you can skip dividing and multiplying by 1, divide it by Avogadro's number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, and then times it by 238, you should get this answer, 1,265 grams. So notice how I'm giving you the answers on these worksheets. I want you to then be able to work backwards. Can you show me the work to get to that answer? Okay, good luck.